Hi, I'm Bob Bordignone, Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing here at MGS. I've been with MGS over 20 years, and in that time I've seen a lot of growth, a lot of investment, and met a lot of great people. At MGS, we're guided by our customers' visions. We're proud to be a critical component in delivering life-changing products to their patients around the world. The foundation of a Midwest work ethic is reflected in all of our global sites. Let's take a look at MGS Germantown, our flagship manufacturing facility. As this Wisconsin campus and headquarters has grown, we're set up for rapid scaling of customer programs through a build-ahead strategy.
Welcome to MGS Germantown Manufacturing. Here at our flagship manufacturing site on our global headquarters in Germantown, Wisconsin, we bridge the gap between imagination and realization in healthcare manufacturing. What makes this 300,000 square foot facility unique is our state-of-the-art infrastructure purpose-built to bring unique manufacturing solutions to pharma, diagnostics, and MedTech innovators. We operate across 6 distinct manufacturing areas, 5 of which are ISO 1345 Class 8 cleanrooms, and include more than 100 injection molding and automated assembly machines. This is all supported by an on-site tool maintenance shop, as well as a best-in-class quality lab.
At MGS, quality isn't just a step in the process, it's the foundation of every decision from initial design to final inspection. We engage our customers early to mitigate risk through design for manufacturability, mold flow analysis, and precision measurement strategies. By sampling early and engaging experts during factory acceptance testing, we deliver validation-ready equipment without any surprises. Early supplier involvement proactively overcomes challenges, avoids delays, controls costs, and accelerates speed to market. Within the Germantown molding facility, we're able to bring this expertise together under one roof to deliver innovations that improve lives.
What truly sets this entire Germantown campus apart is how it brings the full MGS end-to-end value chain to life for pharmaceutical, diagnostic, and MedTech companies. We offer everything from product design and development to tooling and automation to full-scale manufacturing and assembly.
Our world-class quality lab is equipped with advanced technologies like CT scanning that delivers detailed 3D insights in a way traditional equipment cannot, which is essential for mission-critical devices where accuracy is everything. With decades of expertise, our knowledge and comprehensive quality management system helps customers successfully navigate the regulatory process, including FDA and ISO audits for complex healthcare products.
At MGS, we have a proven track record of scaling operations rapidly, building new cleanrooms and entire molding suites in record time to meet customer demand. It's not just technology that sets us apart, it's our people. From skilled mold makers to Six Sigma certified engineers, our team is grounded in humility and fueled by hard work and perseverance. We rise to meet the complex challenges of the healthcare industry. Our products can be found everywhere, from surgical suites to labs to at-home use for patient care. To us, this is more than manufacturing. It's turning ideas into life-saving realities.